Hey guys, this is Kryptonite, and this is a quick market update or BTC update, which is nothing but a smaller, video covering what I have been sharing for past few weeks now. So just to give you a quick recap of this, right? So the count that we've played, I mean, for example, we sold, majority or all of it near 66 to 69, right? And we've been shorting all the way down on every pump, and we've shorted I don't know what all coins. I mean, we've shorted almost everything possible, right? So right now it is, BTC is down by I don't know 70% or so. uh I'll share the reasons why I'm not shorting, more aggressively now. Small scalps here and there, but I'm not shorting very aggressively right now. I'll give the reasons for it, but the count that, usually I think that I shared earlier was like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, making like more of an A wave, then B wave, which is like A, B, C, and then a C wave down. So basically something of this sort: A, B, and then a C. uh something of this sort. And if I change the color of this to, I don't know, purple, let's say. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm not taking it as like a pretty accurate EW count, Elliott waves count. It is more of, TA and plus all of the things that I cover in the group, or whatever. I kind of look at, different things as a confluence to check, how the market is behaving or how it's going to behave. So basically this seems to be like an A wave, okay, then a B wave, and now in the C wave. The B was kind of a truncated wave. It should have gone up, but we had this resistance. We shorted somewhere around here, and we've been shorting all the way, right? So this is the C wave. And if I just remove it quickly to make it a little cleaner, right? So this seems to be, uh, again, this is a C wave, then this seems to be more of something on these lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a fifth wave. Okay, then 4 to 5th, again, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't get lost, confused, just letting you know that the fifth wave will again have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there are 2, 3 different options out here. And the thing is, now I can count this one as simple as 1, 2, 3, and then we'll get a 4 somewhere, and then we'll get a 5. Okay, I'm going to remove this line as well. This is not that important. So might get here, might go higher. Okay, so and then a fifth wave. All right, to complete the C. One count is this, removing it for now, or they could be that, this was your, come on, 1, 2, 3 truncated, 4th. It happens. It happens. Many people say, no, this count is not right and all that stuff. Seen it so many times. This happens. Okay, many times when there is a reversal, there is always truncation. But anyway, this is the 5th, and now we've started a new cycle up, a new leg up. Okay, could be. So in that case as well, we will get a more of a 1, then 2, and then 3, and then 4, and a 5. This is important to note. We'll get this kind of a move. Okay, this is less parabolic, okay, but a bullish reversal. All right, and I could again go ahead and count it like, if this is not done completely, then 1, 2, I don't know, probably 3, 4 truncated 5th, probably something of this sort. Or if I want to be a little more, something of this sort, which does not make sense. I mean, less sense to me, but looks like more of a distribution. So coming back to the point, as in these, if we do have one, discount, I'll go back to that one. Okay, let me 1, 2, 3, probably 4, and then a 5th. Okay, so I'm removing this one for now. If this is the count, okay, then I know during after this third impulse down, many people feel this is the bottom, and it happens. I'm not saying it's not the case, it happens. And on this move up, it is a good bounce, and people FOMO a lot, thinking that the reversal has already happened. Okay, and this is just nothing, because what happens is there are times when it just may. So this fourth wave can easily be like a uh, A wave, then a B wave, and then a C wave. Okay, now if we get a pullback, which I'm expecting, but we still hold somewhere around 19Ks, or late 18, or even in 19Ks, the price holds and then it starts moving up, then I'm going to buy a decent chunk over here. For the C wave, simply because I'm telling you again, you need to pay attention to this. If this is the count and we get a C wave up, which is followed by another dump later on, but this C wave is so bullish in terms of its patterns, in its nature, that whatever altcoins that pumped like 40%, 60%, 100%, 120%, will at least pump 1.5 to 2x, if not more, during the C wave. BTC will pump, alts will pump, and the price action will be more of this parabolic move. Okay, something of this line, in this kind of an arc, that it will be very difficult for anyone to believe that, okay, the market has not bottomed and it is not a C wave up. I mean, it would be difficult to believe that. People will be like, okay, this was the bottom, it's going to the moon, and we reversed and everything is good and all. Okay, we have to be careful. The more bullish it is, the more parabolic it is, BTC plus in terms of the PA. Okay, not the price, but in terms of the PA, the more alts are pumping, like today this alt is pumping, tomorrow the second alt is pumping 50%, the next day another alt is pumping 100%. You should just consider just going ahead and just taking profit, or at least this is what I will do. I'll consider just taking profit. I'll just play coin to coin, whatever I can catch, because else if I'm unable to do anything, I'll just hold BTC, Ethereum, Sol, that kind of stuff. That is it. Because I know after that there is going to be a fifth wave down. Now this fifth could be truncated as well. This could be extended or a normal one. Okay, but still, I am going to take profit and get out. But I'm going to play this move, because if I don't play it, the FOMO would really be strong with everyone. Okay, so I cannot expect myself to be like completely avoiding FOMO. Okay, so this is one scenario. But if it is not this parabolic, all right, and this was more of something of the count that I shared, like truncated fourth, truncated fifth, and we have started another move, then it will be more of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Note that the price is moving similar in a similar manner. I mean, in terms of the price action is moving in a similar manner in terms of price, but it is not that parabolic. We were seeing this move, sorry, we're seeing this move and this, and this move, and then this, something of this sort. This is less parabolic, but if it is a C wave, we will see more of these kinds of move, more parabolic moves. So this is one scenario. I mean, these are the two scenarios that I'm watching for right now. In case we break this previous low of, let's say I'll say even if we break 18.8, okay, then I'm going to place like good heavy orders in 15Ks to 14Ks, mid 15s, late 15s, 14s. I'll give you the live prices, the prices and the targets on the chart. But I will, I'll kind of bid heavy over there, because I'm going to buy and I'm going to play the bounce. Okay, because that bounce will be a good one. We will probably get a price action if that happens, something like this, and then move up. It will be a good bounce and then move down. People will, exit and sell or FOMO, and then probably it will move something like this, higher lows, and then it moves up, something of this sort. Ignore the timelines. All right, that would be more on daily. So what I'm saying is, then in case this breaks, it moves down, moves up, higher low, something of this sort, then probably it moves something like this. Okay, so these are the plays. Right now, I'm waiting for BTC to at least break 21.8. Okay, it has to break 21.8. Before that, yeah, 21.78. So basically 21.8. Before that, it is all bearish to me. People are going, FOMOing in or going like crazy that, okay, it dumped, but now it is bouncing. Nothing of that sort. It's just a normal move. Unless this breaks, it is going to come down. Okay, it is going to come down, and during the move down, we will see how we go ahead and then consider placing longs or buying spots, on a higher low. If it breaks, then we will consider, going long later on. All right, so this is the play, and yeah, let's catch up on this call. Bye for now.